Hey there, Heretic. I'm Rishi Kular, Head of Product, and today I'm so excited to show you a bunch of new features in the Pythagoras release. I have a lot to cover, so I'm just going to dive right in. First up to the plate is custom connectors. Here I'm looking at a certificate of liability insurance. See this gnarly table down here? Well, with the Pythagoras release, I was able to auto-extract key information from this table right into an object in relativity where all of the fields are properly filled out. Wow. Not only are we auto-populating each field, but we're also saving the location of each auto-populated field. How did I achieve this? Long story short, by using custom connectors, I was able to connect to AWS Texturact table extraction and consume the results seamlessly within Heretic. For more information on how I did that, check out our Playing with Fire video on custom connectors. Next up is custom extraction models. A lot of our clients are using Heretic to produce something like this, to turn blobs of text in PDFs into data points neatly structured across varying field types in relativity. In terms of how you get here, it boils down to technology to auto-populate fields and manual review. On the former, for field auto-population, with the Pythagoras release, you can now select text within the contract, send it to a field, and use this example to train a custom extraction model that will learn how to auto-populate that field. You now have a tool belt of regular expressions to auto-populate fields and custom extraction models to auto-populate fields, in addition to manual review. For more information, check out our Playing with Fire video on custom extraction models and a blog post I just wrote on a tool belt approach to auto-populating fields. Next up is object coding mode. One really challenging problem in contract review is when you have a contract that's been amended over time, it's hard to visualize and report on the latest source of truth across the entire family of documents. So a lot of our customers are creating objects in relativity to sort of track and visualize the latest source of truth. For example, here is an employment agreement that's been amended several times, and I have a base salary field on this family object, and I've just put in the latest base salary. I don't care how it's changed over time, I just want to know the latest source of truth. And now with object coding mode, if I click the edit button, I've configured this object to open up in the Heretic viewer. Now clicking here, if I click on the original effective date field, it will take me to that correct document location. But if I click on the latest effective date field, it will take me to the latest amendment and navigate me right to the latest effective date. And the base salary as well. Finally, we have data point filters. Previously, we would always show all data points in the left pane. But now with Pythagoras, you can easily bucket data points into groups and display them in this dropdown on the left pane. In this case, I've created shipped with Heretic data points, basic data points, lease review data points, and LIBOR. Now this is useful for two reasons. One, it will mean that the viewer is a lot faster for you because we aren't always loading all data points. Secondly, it reduces the noise of data points irrelevant to your current task. So that's data point filters. Those are some of the bigger features in the Pythagoras release, but we also have a slew of bug fixes and other enhancements we're excited about. Check out the release notes blog post and don't hesitate to reach out for a live demo. We're always happy to provide them. Thanks so much and see you next time.